Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of Creative Limits Me, and today I'm participating in a collaboration. If you're interested in finding more about this collaboration, you know what to do. Stick around. Okay, yes, I look broke down. It's called a midnight clean, so I'm cleaning at night. If this is your first time visiting my channel, feel free to click that red subscribe button you see down below. After that, a bell will appear. Click that bell and you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And if you're an older but a goodie, you know you have my heart. Thank you for coming back. Now, the title of this collaboration is called The Midnight Clean With Me Fall 2019. And it's hosted by a wonderful YouTube sister, This and That with Denise Jordan. Now she has a hashtag, and I'll include the hashtag at the bottom of the screen. Now, if you're not familiar with Denise's channel, I will link her channel down below in the description along with the playlist when it becomes available. Now, I am running late with this video because the computer monster ate my first one, so I had to think of something else to record and do. So all she asked us to do was to clean an area in our home at midnight. Well, it's midnight, and for real. And so I decided to clean the master bathroom, which is my bathroom. So I'm going to take you guys along as I straighten this up and do some changing with these towels in here. I have an idea I want to try in here for the towels. So with that all being said, on with me cleaning. Sink is clean. The shelf above, all the little containers there are clean. Now, if you notice this is where I keep my mouthwash in. I need to reload that. This came from the Dollar Tree. These, I got these at, what's the name of the store? Ross. These were at Ross. One is for lotion, one is for hand soap, and then I have that dish there. I have my air freshener there. Over here. Now, I have my IKEA containers up here. And the names are finally here. I have a lady that I go to, a young lady here in Houston, does wonderful work, quick turnarounds. She does my my cups, and she's doing these letters, and she's done some decals for plates and things for me. Oh, she does a great job. I'm going to put her information down below in the description box. So if any of you guys want to contact her here in Houston, her information will be down below, and I also will put a link in for her Instagram page. But what I had her do was make me one for face, and then this one is spa, body, and feet. Now, each one of these containers contain exactly what it says. Face, I have face scrubs, night creams, things like that in here. Spa is exfoliating brushes and gloves and sponges, things like that. And in here, body is exfoliating creams and oils and things for the body. And this one is the same stuff for the feet. And I keep them in separate containers on this shelf. And I really like this shelf and the way things are on there. Now above, I have my little twinkle. I got those at Ross as well. Now in the windowsill, I added some white roses. And what I changed in here were the towels. I had them laying over the other way, but I wanted to do some tassels. Now, I ordered those tassels off of Amazon. Now, I will include the link down below to those on Amazon if you're interested in getting those. It came 2 in a pack, so I was glad of that because my towel rack is a large one. And what I did was I folded them. You saw how I folded them middle and hung them over the rack. But what I did was I tied it backwards so I could turn it and spin it the way I wanted to go. And I rolled up medium-sized towels and face towels that go with those and put them inside. Now, I'll give you an overview. I have the white linen shower curtain. And then the silver beaded shower hooks. Those came from, I think I ordered those off of Walmart online. So I think everything is neat and tidy in here. So this is it for my clean with me at midnight. I hope this one doesn't get the computer monster, Denise. But I wanted to participate. I told you I would, and I am finished. The bathroom is clean. It smells good, and I am content. So if you are satisfied with my content, guys, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my videos. And also follow me on my social media accounts. They'll be flashing on the screen below as well in the description box. And as always, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching. And you guys be blessed.